Welcome back, everybody. This is Shahzaib Kamal from Podina Tutorials.com, and we're learning the Angular 4. Welcome back, everybody. So guys, here I'm just gonna unleash another power of the CLI. Yeah, absolutely. When we just made this content, we just need to make a folder. We made it a file like the company.html. We just made the company.ts file. Then we just adjusted them into the module.ts. And it's worked to compile the application, all the components together. So I'm just gonna use the CLI. Okay, so how I'm gonna use that one? I'm just gonna go to the CMD. If I just go there, you can see that it's actually in a live mode, means the server is running, so we just cannot update it using this CMD panel. You can see that the Angular CLI, it's actually updated in a live mode, so we just cannot update it. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna click on there. First you would see this like that maybe, or if you just see like that, no matter, in both cases you just need to click on there. So you'll be getting this sign, the terminal. Just click on the terminal and then you'll be getting this area, and it's loading. Wait for a single minute, it'll be in your hand. So yeah, we got that. Now you can see that we're inside the same panel, the username, the desktop, and the first Angular application. Now what I'm just gonna do, I can run the npm. I just gonna apply some npm methods and other stuff, but for now I'm just gonna do some Angular things. So for the CLI, and when we're just talking about the Angular, I'm just going to type ng, okay, now space. Now, because I just want to make something, I'm not going to serve or etc. Remember, if you just remember what we just used for using the CLI for making the whole application. So there, I'm just going to generate something. There is another command, generate, okay, generate. Now, ng generate, what I'm just going to generate, I just want to generate the component. Sorry, I just typed another thing, component. Now I just want to generate the component, so ng generate component. Now the word or the component name you just decided, I'm just gonna put here the suppose header. Okay, we just made the component. Now I'm just making the header element. Okay, that's cool. So for now we just can do another thing. Instead of typing the whole names of the component and generate, we just simply can say G and C. Is it cool? Yeah, G and C. Or you can say generate components. You can use both things. Just line break it. Now it's gonna make, yeah, you can see that the create application, it's gonna make it in a while. It's installing, and where it is, oh man, well, I'm able to see this. This is here, the header. You can see that there are a few files, the header.component.css. If I just double click on it, it's empty. If you just go to the header.component.html, it has something, and you can see that the header works, the HTML element, and the specification.ts, it's again the testing unit. We can delete this. Yeah, delete this, we do not need this. And the component.ts, now you can see that just forgot what just happened here, the ng on init or constructor. We'll be talking about this later on, but for now, if you just notice the app header and the you can see that the collaboration of these files here, these are implemented already, the template URL and the style URLs. And just notice its wisdom, it's automatically created the files inside the source folder, the app folder, and inside it just made the header folder, and then the names are same. But what the meaning of the update? It just updated something too. What is the meaning? There is something fishy. No fishy. It's directly in the application folder, and the app.module.ts means it just messed up with this file too. We should be careful. Open it up, and there it did nothing but just made the component, just put it the component, the header. You can see that the header component, and let's just open it up, and you can see that it just automatically imported the header component from the header.component file from the folder of header. That means it's actually working automatically, updating it. You can see that it's installed it. So how easy and how simple using the CLI is. And if you just go there, and if you just here, this is the HTML component, you can see that the header works. If you just go there to the main component of the application, there is the main component. Likewise, I just put it the app content. I'm just going there, and I just want to confirm a little thing about it. You can see that the app header, just focus this thing, app header. Okay, the name of the selector is app header, means this one is the app and this one is a header. So app header, like we just use the app content. So I'm just going to the main app component.html. This is one that is the main. So just before the app content, I'm just using the app header. Cool. Save it, go to the browser. I'm going there and you can see that there is a header. Header works. Yeah, that means it's actually working. So you can just imagine how simple it is. If I just go there back and if I just put something there like a heading of h2 for now, h2, and let's just put some content like header. Save it. Now go to the browser and you'll be seeing the h2 heading header. That means it's really working. So guys, in the next class we'll be talking about more a little bit about it, so stay tuned. And as always, please subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel grow. Leave a comment and we'll meet in next lesson. Till then, goodbye.